So here we're just gonna take everything out so that we can remove the headliner out of this.
It's getting that much more track prepped. It's already got, you know, most of the interior removed. We might go ahead and remove the factory like sound deadening as well. He's just pulling all the little clips and stuff out. And we'll get back to you once all the clips are pulled out. We just got this part of the pillar ripped off, the front pillar, all the little tiny bits of handles and all that such out. Now we're just getting this side popped off. As you can see, he is not being gentle. He's just using a screwdriver and prying stuff off. Just 2 more pop pins to pull at the front, and the headliner should be ready to come down.
Oops, I broke that one. So we'll have to pull that out later. That one's out. Okay.
Oh, we missed one pop pin back there.
Okay. Well, 1 second. Let me just...
Wow, there's a lot more stuff back in that than I would have thought. Now we're just pulling out the sound deadening from the roof. Oh, she's sticky. And then you're like pulling down the roof. Ho, ho, ho. Shit.
Now my car's got mud flaps. Stick-on mud flaps for the back of your car. Come free with every vehicle, I guess. You just got to take them out of the roof. Right, do you think we need any of this, or is this just to hold in the... That's probably just to hold in the headliner, right? It doesn't look structural to you?
No, move it.
Put some weight. To the front now. Oh, there's not one here. Oops, whoops, whoops, whoops.
Look at the size of the headliner and the hatchback accents.
Not
Almost
like
the size of them.
super heavy, but not super light.
Take a guess on pounds.
Like 3 to 5, maybe.
Okay.
Not super
Plus,
heavy.
there is all this other little, these other little things that we deleted. Nuts and bolts and such.
Plastic trinkets.